So, just-in-time compilers are something in computer programming that's not really just in time. What it does is it takes your program and compiles it, or looks at how to do the program. But then as it sees it running for several iterations, it figures out to optimize your computer better. So it can do this by a variety of ways. You can see that you always use one type of data, maybe numbers only, or not integer numbers, but it can be decimal numbers, or strings with the characters, like A, B, C, D, E. And it figures out to use better algorithm for that. That's like a more specific one, or how it allocates the memory or something. Usually it takes an observation period, but if we could have AI look at your program beforehand, and before it even runs, just does a backup just in time, that it already optimizes it somewhat. Then what could happen when you actually do run the program, it's close to already perfect. That means that it's already faster. And then you can actually collect more data as it goes because it's already running, let's say, 20 times fast. So that number is ridiculous. I made it up. But that means that in the same period of time, it can have more observations and maybe work better. Another thing that this one is, it could purposely have an AI that makes the algorithm run not in the best way at first, but a way that gives you more data, feedback, on how to best optimize the usage case, because it sees more where it cracks first. And you could have an AI that switches up the different types of ways it runs the algorithm to learn more what's an optimal way and what's not, when it's less risky, when you don't demand as much speed. And when you demand speed, it can still focus on making it faster. Another thing that an AI could do is give you code suggestions to maybe make your code faster in the future in typing, so you can go back and forth and override them. You want to see what it's doing wrong and feedback on what it did in the just in time. Another thing you could do is actually explore is collect data always in the background. So when you run a new type of program, it always optimized for your hardware instead from data that's previously collected on software and hardware you run. Well, thank you very much for listening. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. That's why we said 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watts. This is really hard, really help. I think can do it. Again, thank you much. Goodbye.